Hi everyone, welcome to Center Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I'm going to be trying to do another Dutch pour. I am practicing and practicing and practicing until I get this right. The consistency of the paint is so important, and it is a trick to get it, because I've done this a few times and none of them have turned out like Rinska's or Molly's or Canella's. They all make it look so easy. So I'm going to try it again. I've got a 12 by 12 canvas in front of me with the white acrylic ready to go. I've got the same colors that I did on my last video, which is Red Barn. So I'll show you in the tubs here. This one is Red Barn, pretty color. This one is Poppy, which is a pretty orangey red color. We've got Coffee Brown, which looks like chocolate, yummy enough to eat, but of course I won't. And we've got Buff Beige. So those are the colors I'm going to do. I've also got a little bit of ultramarine I'm going to use up. And I've got some of my burgundy that I made up myself, which is blacks and reds mixed together. So those are the colors I'm going to do. Exact same colors I did on my last painting. Only this time we're going to try and do the Dutch pour correctly. Not that I didn't love my last painting, I did. It turned out awesome. Had lots of nice cells. But I want to just give this another whirl. So I'm tilting whether or not I want to add gold or not. What do you think? Should I add gold? I'll decide as I go. If you're new to my channel, please hit subscribe. It would be very much appreciated. And everybody that keeps coming back, thank you so much. I love reading all your comments. It just totally makes my day. Okay, so white is ready to go. My colors are ready to go. Got my blow dryer put aside. Okay, let's go. Oh, I forgot to mention Amazon. I have a link in my description for Amazon if you want to buy yourself any paints or try anything that I'm doing. All of my cups, my stir sticks, my paint, my butane torch, all of that I get off of Amazon. 90% of the stuff that you see me use will be available on Amazon. If you click the link in my details though, I will get a tiny commission on a gift card to replenish some of my stock. So if you do think you're going to be ordering anything, please hit my link and order through that. It would be greatly appreciated. Okay, first color down, I'm going to do the Coffee Brown. I'm just going to put it right here. I'm going to be doing them in like a puddle. There's the Coffee Brown. Whoop. It's okay, I'm going to blow it out, that's fine. Just got white all over my arm. I'm always bloopering somewhere. Okay. Now, see how it's spreading out a little bit? You can tell I've really thinned this out. So we'll see how this goes. I'm going to be doing the burgundy. I'm going to go straight across here. So there's the burgundy. I'm going to move my little tubs aside because I'm going to get the blow dryer out soon, and I don't want to make a big mess. This one is the Red Barn. Let's go with a little bit of white. Okay. Then I'm going to do the Poppy. A little bit of the beige, Bluff Beige it's called. Almost use that color up, that's good. And then a little bit of the ultramarine blue. Okay, now let's get the blow dryer out and see if we can do this. I'm just going to put some more white around the edge here just to help the paint movement, kind of pillow it around. And this time I have a feeling I've made it too runny, but we'll see. Okay, now bear with me. I'm going to blow this blow dryer and get some paint moving. Okay, I'm just going to let that sit for a sec and blow it out. Okay, let's do this. stop there because they say less is more. I've got some really cool cells happening on this one too, and again, no silicone in this. This is just water and acrylic paint mixed. I'm going to grab my little airbrush, which I talk about in all my videos. Best $60 I ever spent on Amazon, cordless airbrush. It's awesome. I call it my little compressor sometimes. Okay, and I'm just going to blow this out a little bit. Oh, there we go. Because I have a little bit of splash I want to cover up, which I just did there. I'm just going to blow the edges a tiny bit so they go over. Because I like to have the sides have a little bit of a personality too. Having the colors go over. This turned out beautiful. I love this. I love most of my art. There's very few times that I don't. I did a landscape reverse roll. It's a few videos back that I had to add music to because I turned the camera off, turned it back on, forgot to turn the volume on because it really had me razzled. I could not get this painting to look the way I wanted it to. So, okay, I'm not messing with this anymore because I really like this. Let me give it a torch. Now the trick will be, how is it going to look when it dries? Because I have had some cracking issues lately too with some of my paintings. I'm really hoping this one doesn't crack because it is gorgeous. Love the colors. Okay, that was a quick video, and I think this is my best Dutch pour yet. They can only get better from here, right? Alright everyone, thanks very much for joining me. Please hit subscribe if you haven't already. Come back and watch another video. Thanks again.